In this series of videos, I'm going to teach you how to do punch needle embroidery. But first of all, I'd like to go over the different supplies that you'll need to do the embroidery. First of all, you need a nice punch needle. The one that I usually use is the Cameo Ultra Punch. I find that it gives good results and it's easy to use. The part I really like the most about it is that it's adjustable. So when you're not using the needle, you can have it in the retract position. When you are using it, you just dial it up to the length that you want. This length of needle gives the depth of the loops that you make on the front of the piece. And then when you're finished using, you just dial it back down again. The next thing you're going to need are threaders for your punch needle. These are the Ultra Punch threaders that you use. And in a later video, I'm going to show you how to use them. You need to have a nice hoop. These hoops that I use are the Morgan no-slip hoops. They come in different sizes. The thing that I like best about them is that they truly are a non-slip hoop, and once you get your fabric into your hoop, it doesn't move at all, and it really works really great. You need to have a good pair of scissors. Ideally, you'd like to have a pair that has this nice curve so that when you're clipping your threads, you can get right up close to the fabric. And then you need to have some type of embroidery floss. You can use regular Anchor or DMC floss like this one. What you do is you cut a length of thread, and then you need to separate it into two groups of 3 strands because you punch with 3 strands at a time. Or you can use something like the Valdani threads that I usually use. And these ones are already separated so that there's 3 strands on the ball. You just load your needle and go. And then you need to have some type of fabric to punch on. What I use is weaver's cloth. So it's a poly cotton blend. It's not that stretchy. It has a nice even weave. Anything that's woven tightly enough you can use to punch on. But you want to make sure you don't get something that's really stretchy, because once you get it into your hoop, you don't want to stretch it so much that you distort the image.